The state Supreme Court held an all-day hearing in Harrisburg today on a variety of congressional maps for the Commonwealth. As political editor Jon Delano reports, the court has lots of choices.
When the Republican legislature and Democratic governor failed to reach an agreement on a new congressional map, it fell to the state Supreme Court to approve new districts for Pennsylvania. That's a task they don't really want.
This is a failure. This is a failure of the process, the relationship between the executive branch and the legislative branch. We knew this was coming.
It's a tough task because it's really a legislative function that didn't occur because of the breakdown between the governor and the legislature.
Saying frequently this decision was being forced on them, on Friday, 7 justices of the state Supreme Court heard oral arguments by lawyers pitching 13 different congressional maps. The justices asked very specific questions about the maps, noted Cliff Levine, attorney for the Senate Democrats.
The court has been incredibly attentive. It was noteworthy. We had an out-of-town counsel that's represented one of the parties who handles a lot of these cases and was really complimentary and marveling at the depth of knowledge of the court and the in-depth questioning and understanding each of the maps and the statistics behind the maps.
While some maps favor the Republicans and others the Democrats, there were also maps that seemed less partisan. Another big issue: should the city of Pittsburgh be split to get 2 Congress members or remain all in one district? On behalf of a Republican citizens map, attorney Tom King argued keeping the city intact.
Pittsburgh should not be split. That splitting Pittsburgh violates the Constitution of Pennsylvania. And I hope that this map will not be a map that splits Pittsburgh.
Actually, splitting Pittsburgh is natural because of the rivers and the geography, but it also gives voice. There's 150,000 people in one district, 150,000 in another. It will still be the strongest voice in Allegheny County. There are others, though, that are trying to keep Pittsburgh intact and then basically create a very strong Republican district.
Deciding how to decide which of 13 maps to approve was a frequently asked question to which there were multiple answers. Another question: can this case, plus one involving the state Senate and state House districts, get resolved in time to keep from moving the May 17th primary? I'll have more on that new at 6. Jon Delano, KDKA News.